let's talk about managing our data sets after we've built them. So we'll go to Manage Datasets. You'll choose which data set you want to work with. Here you'll see the objects that are included. You can do things like save to a XML or CSV or Excel. This would allow you to actually customize the records and the values and things like that. If you do that, you can also create a data set off of those CSV files, or if you've got a custom CSV that you want to create from scratch, you can do that as well. Add the file or the folder, name it, and create the data set. You can remap field names. So if I wanted to, say, move some fields from this formula field should go to annual T budget, for example. Account should go to this field. You can see how this changes the mapping across fields. You can also manipulate field values. Let's say I want to change the billing city that is from the source to the destination, or countries. Whatever you want to fix or change here, you can update these on the right in the destination. You can also import and export, cut, copy, paste to make bulk editing a little bit easier. You can also create external IDs on your source or data set record and the destination. This way you don't create duplicate records by accident. You always have this external ID to reference in your data sets. You also have the option to do things like rename, duplicate, delete, or import and export if you're working with a team as well. And that's Manage Datasets.